Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal on your website. First, you will need a dedicated PayPal business account, which differs significantly from a personal one. We will then explore the various methods to integrate it seamlessly with your online store, ensuring your customers enjoy a smooth checkout. Finally, we will cover crucial testing steps before you make your payment gateway live, confirming everything functions perfectly. This guide will empower your online sales. To begin, navigate to the official PayPal website and choose the option to create a business account. You will need to provide your complete business details, including your legal name, address, and contact information. Subsequently, link your primary bank account to PayPal for seamless transaction processing, which typically takes only a few minutes. Verification of your identity and business legitimacy is a key security measure, often requiring a copy of your government-issued identification and business registration documents. This ensures compliance and builds trust. Integrating PayPal with your website offers several effective methods. If you utilize a common e-commerce platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce, you can typically find their integrated PayPal settings within your administrative dashboard. For custom-built websites, you can leverage PayPal's developer tools to embed smart buttons or complete checkout flows directly into your site's code. These tools provide a secure and flexible payment gateway, allowing customers to pay directly on your site without redirection. Select the integration method that best aligns with your website platform and technical comfort for the best outcome. Before making your new PayPal integration live, thorough testing is absolutely essential to ensure a flawless customer experience. Conduct several test transactions using different payment methods, including a simulated purchase, to verify that funds are correctly processed. Check that confirmation emails are sent and that your inventory updates as expected. Monitor your PayPal account dashboard for these test transactions, confirming they appear as intended. Only after successful testing should you make your PayPal payment gateway live for all customers, providing confidence in your new system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.